up, SV Squad? Welcome back to another vlog. We are on our way to Multicultural Festival. For those of you who have been with us from the beginning, you would know Multicultural is just like, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory. A multicultural,
really, nigga?
Culture? Anyways, so we're on our way there, Siaosi and I. We'll try and get some lit as footage, because last year we went like in the evening and everything was pretty much done. People were going. It's gonna be litty, guys. Well, I hope so, and they're so expensive. Honestly, I don't eat anything there. I'll wait till like we come home. So because we haven't vlogged for so long, you guys missed out. We haven't told you so much. Well, not much has happened, but I don't know if you can see it. But like this was fully dented in. Siaosi's like kind of pushed it out. There's still like visible dents there. Well, it wasn't me and it wasn't Aussie. It was my dad when he went to Sydney. And apparently a kangaroo jumped out in front. And it was too late, so... No, I don't have a key. Oh, it's kind of hot in here. I have not done my eyebrows. They look like big dead caterpillars. I really need to you know, pick up on my makeup skills. I'm not very good at it, and I'm so sick of watching like all these white people tutorials, because like they have like a million products and I'm like, okay girl, nice and simple. So I'm depending on my girl Xavier. Get that tutorial out, girl. Even if you just do like an eyebrow tutorial. I love the way you do eyebrows. Xavier is one of our loyal subscribers. She's also a makeup artist, so get them YouTube videos out, girl. Teach us all how to do it. Why is your face like that?
I'll do it for you.
We'll be looking like clowns if you do.
I'm the master of the makeup painting.
Okay then.
I'm gonna paint your eyes like a star of the sky.
Baby, it's not painting.
I'm gonna rock your eyes like a scar.
Like a scar?
And we're here to, yeah.
Where are you going? What?
Have a look here, it's so cool. Where do you go?
I just want to say that.
Wait.
Can you move your hand? That is so rude. I just want to say that someone just came up to me in the morning, complimented me, said I look beautiful.
Yeah.
My dress me popping.
Now we're here at the Multicultural here in Australia camp.
They went somewhere. They were looking for them. They're going to go to the movies. How'd they get here? Oh, my dad.
Alright, it is so packed and it's pretty hot. I got my hair out. This is multiculture. No, it's alright, because when I get there I'm going to sit down and hold it.
It is sitting down there all
What is
day.
that?
Yeah, I'm going to sit down.
Obviously.
Can you dance, Aussie? To that beat? Can you dance to that beat, Aussie? Move your whole body, not just... That's pretty cool. Where were you guys going?
Just go shoot down there.
No, where were you going when I saw you?
Oh, we went to look for my internet. They went to the movies.
Why are they going movies on Multicultural Day?
Oh, talk about that. I was like, they could have had fun, like, you know, walking around, watching the performance. Yeah, you got your new suit.
Who?
Now guys, look,
You go straight
look
down.
my hat. It's a salmon hat.
It's not a salmon hat.
There's not much Indians around here.
Cuddle fight. So damn hot. I think I should have bought one of Aussie's hats.
Oh my god, it's a big nose.
Áo vest của gì rồi đi, xếp cái áo này lo.
Well, I got sun cream in my bag. So these are the different stores. We've got Tongan, Ghana, I don't know. Got African. Oh, there's my sissies. So at the moment they're doing a Tongan dance, I think. I'm not sure what's going on. Can you move, mate? Mate. Oh, mate. Bro, this is like the best all day I ever had in my life. It's got mango. What the heck? And watermelon and some other stuffs. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You want to sit? Okay. Come.
These are salmon food.
Bro, it is so hot. We're looking for food. It is way too hot in this place. I can see like every single Samoan, Tongan here in Canberra. And then we got the Lamb Muffs are really good here pumping their music. Someone just came up to Aussie and told him, what did he say?
He said,
yeah, we didn't get footage of him, but shout out to you if you're watching this. You should have came in. Oh my gosh, I want ice cream. This was You're such a liar. Hello, little puppy. Ew, Siaosi, stop. Hello, little puppy. Look at your little snotty nose. Hey, Weka, can you say something to the camera? Say hi, Wetty. Why you cover your face? Do you go to school?
Yes.
What year are you in? Huh?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten? You're too small to be in kindergarten.
I am in kindergarten.
No? I don't think you go to school.
Yes, I do.
How old are you?
6.
You're such a liar. You're not 6. How old are you?
I'm telling you.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna call the police on you.
Vai pule fa malo, olo tofi ole toto malefue, ole le tu malo, fa fetai mo aula ngalue, o so leo fa tauva a e fai mo sui si a manga mo so se tau le o tau tu I lo fanga. Ele lo mai e Beyonce, le fai na tau le ne yo langa. Leo sui le tai au puma le hamo, e asi lai me fa fanga.
So, oh my gosh, the battery's about to die, Aussie. Really? We wasted all of our time on this. And we probably won't even put half of it in. And we can't even show you like what we're gonna be. We're gonna start walking around now, and we can't even show you what we're gonna be seeing.
Where are you?
Aussie, show everyone what you bought. So I'm vlogging on Aussie's phone. Oh my gosh, your quality is terrible. Hey, that's as far as out as it goes. It makes my face look real big, but I'm tired already. And we're walking around trying to look for some ice cream. Look, there's Mickey Choo's house. Mickey Choo.
Is that food or is that someone?
I don't know. How's your multicultural day so far, Aussie?
Yeah, it's a little bit boring, but it's alright. We have fun.
And how's your multicultural so far, Kua? Huh?
Pretty boring, but it's
Guys,
Can you find me the Dutch pancakes?
guys, She spends so much money for
the
this.
Nutella.
Excuse me, I've only spent $15 on 3 otais, but you...
Otai for $30.
It's not otai.
Is it the pancake with the Nutella in it?
No.
Yeah, because they're on that.
No! That's not it. Is it that one?
Oh,
Oh yeah, that's where we stood before, eh? Give it better, you never told me. What? He's a what?
He's a killer man.
He's a killer man.
If you want to come visit this guy, don't come. Thank you.
Because you have to line up, Siaosi. My faves. It's like the best pancakes ever.
You're right, you go.
Oh, thank you. Aussie is getting the large lunch pack. We have a pretty server here. That's massive. Perfect. Okay guys, so we got home and we charged the battery of our camera. It had died, so, which was a big bummer because we wanted to walk around and like film as well.
Now we just finished playing cricket.
Baby, I just said that. You don't.
We're going to have something to eat.
I already told them that.
So sorry guys about late upload of videos because we are so busy guys. Hope you guys enjoy our videos and our vlog. Please subscribe and like. We put more videos up when you guys comment below.
And we just want to give a shout out to everybody, right? Everybody who came up to us and said hello to us, took photos with us, acknowledged us. Just a big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to our channel.
And thank you for meeting us guys.
We would have taken some footage of you guys, but our camera died, so I'm really sorry about that. But we appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching us. Just from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much for finding us entertaining. And guess what? Siosi's gonna be doing the Millie Rock challenge.
Yeah.
When are you gonna do that?
I hope you guys, I'm gonna learn tomorrow.
No, you're not. You said that about Soso May. We're still waiting.
No, Soso May's Kaya challenge.
Yeah, but you didn't even end up doing it.
I know.
You know what?
I'm doing my guys Millie Rock. Millie Rock.
Well,
Yeah.
Millie Rock.
Doing Millie Rock tomorrow, learning tomorrow, and you guys see you soon. See you soon guys. Hope you guys enjoy your Millie Rock challenge. Just only me, I'll do it.
I can battle him.
Yeah, you
Comment below if you want to see me battle him in the Millie Rock challenge.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, just the thought is cracking me up. Oh my goodness. No, I'm gonna get so much hate for that. I'm gonna have haters on my butt. They'll be like, ew.